Alright guys, so this is my 94 X2. I went on a vacation to Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I checked out the Craigslist before I went up there. And I saw this thing listed for 500 bucks, but it was listed as a 91 Jetski. So I freaking sent that dude a message. He kept his word, held it for me for like 3 days, even though he had a ton of other messages. So I freaking finally got into New Mexico, swung by his house, and that's all she wrote, man. He said it just needed a battery. Turns out he told the truth. Just needed a battery. Started up. I cleaned up all the inside. And the only real issue with it is it has this attempt at a repair right there. It came with a brand new turf kit, so he gave me that. But I haven't installed it yet. And it's missing both of these. It was just missing one, but whenever I took it out a minute ago, I lost the other one and I can't find it now, so that's my fault. It has an aftermarket impeller. Everything else is stock. So let me show you under the hood real quick. So here it is. I cleaned it up a little bit, so looks pretty good now. It has a PMC reman engine. I read terrible things about it online, but it freaking rips, man, so I don't care. It's got this aftermarket Ocean Pro Vortec. This ugly mount, I don't know why they did that. Everything else is bone stock. I just freaking took the oil injection off and put the little plate on, as you can see there. And running her really rich because he said it's been sitting for like 2 seasons. I did a compression test with a Harbor Freight gauge and it was reading like 180 on both. So I don't know if that's accurate. I put 93 octane in it just to be safe. And all right, I'm gonna put the GoPro on and take it for a rip. All right, let's get a little test ride. Okay. on a baby weight.